Good. So this movement you see is the one of the movement in deer. It's a help strengthen our kidney organs and at the same time improve strength or emotions of fear. So let me show you how we're going to do this. First, when you start, sit down yourself. Then bring the hands up, inhale to the lungs. Then a little bit step forward, push the hands, exhale. Sit down yourself. Then don't breathe anything, just hold your breath, move the feet to stabilize your stance. And then move the inhale, become a deer head. And then moving, hold your breath and turning. Upper body is moving, the legs stability, allow your body turn. You feel the kidney area is being strengthening, stretching and crouching. And then come back, use exhale to relax. Then same, change other side. Then change the direction, give you a little bit supporting, stabilize your stance, move the hands, fingers, and nice move your head to the back. Then let your upper body turning, try to see your heel. Then come back, relax, recover your whole system, inhale, let go, exhale, recover. So you can repeat 3 times each side to start with. So hope this will help you.